Hey fellow wealth builders, so today I want to show you my Vanguard portfolio. I want to show you some of the different investments that I'm currently in and also kind of go a little bit into why I have these type of investments. Real quick, if you are new here, my name is Dennis, and on this channel we love talking about personal finance to really help you build more of your wealth. Make sure you have that subscribe button, hit down below and the bell to get notifications when new videos come up. So before hopping onto the computer, let me know if you are enjoying this video and this topic by hitting that like button, and then stick around to the end because I'm gonna have a video from my good friend JJ Buckner, who's also going to be showcasing what's in his Vanguard portfolio. All right, so here we are on the computer. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the information that I have on my Vanguard portfolio. But really quick, before I do that, I just really want to emphasize the importance of making sure that you actually do a lot of your own research before you invest in anything, whether it's something that you see that I'm currently invested in or what anybody else is. And the reason that's important is because even if somebody's fund is doing really, really well, you might not know or understand their investing strategy, whether it's to invest long-term, short-term, their ability to take on risk, and a lot of other factors. So don't definitely go through and see what I have invested or what anybody else has invested and take that as like the holy grail or what you should be investing in. You really want to make sure that you do your own research. And if you're curious on how to actually look at the research on different types of funds, I will actually have a video in the show notes and at the end of this video where I actually will go into a lot more information. That video is going to be a lot longer, I promise you that, but it will go into a lot of great detail and have a lot of good information for you. We actually have $38,034.64, and that is as of February 8th, 2019. And of course, I have some information blocked off, and this is my IRA account, but a lot of these funds are either similar to the regular investing or have a different name, but they are essentially the same exact type of fund. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the three funds that I have. All right, so the first fund that we have is the VEXPX, and this is the Vanguard Explorer Fund Investor. Now, as you can see, this fund, I have about 56 shares and have about $5,300 into it out of my total 38,000. Now, this fund is one that is meant for somebody that has a little bit more risk tolerance and that wants to grow their money a little bit quicker. So I definitely have a good chunk in there because I'm really interested in wanting to grow that money as quickly as possible. Next up is going to be VFIAX, and that is the Vanguard 500 Index Fund Admiral. Now, this one, as you can see, I have 109 shares, which is actually a huge bulk of my overall balance at $27,360 or so. So this one actually follows the market almost to a T for the S&P 500. And so I really like having this fund because it really kind of showcases, where the market is and how it's doing, because when the market's doing well, this fund will do well. When the market's not doing well, this will also kind of follow the market, but I at least know that I'm in the right areas of where I want to be, and that the average that I'm going to get from this fund is going to be really nice in comparison to taking risks on doing like individual stocks or other types of funds. So the last one that I have is going to be VWUSX, and this is the Vanguard US Growth Fund Investor. As you can see, this one has 145 shares and it's about $5,400. So just a little bit more than my original fund that I have that I talked about, but overall it's going to be another fund that helps with the growth of my actual money, so that way I can get more of it down the road. Now, the way I kind of have everything invested, as you can see, is a little bit more aggressive than other people. Not entirely aggressive because the Vanguard 500 Index Fund is a little bit more moderate, you can say. So for me personally, I like to make sure that I have a little bit of safety net, which is that Index 500, and then the other two funds, the ability to help my money grow a little bit faster for me, especially because I'm at a younger age and I'm a little bit more okay with taking risk when it comes to my overall funds. And you might be looking at this and thinking that it's not very diversified, because I do talk about being diversified on your portfolio, but this actually has a lot of diversification inside of the actual funds because they actually have quite a few holdings in each of these funds. So it's not just one sector, it's not just one style of funds. These are actually pretty diversified in the overall collection of all of these funds. So for me personally, this is actually pretty well diversified. And like I mentioned, I went from 6 down to 3 because those other 3 were too similar to these and were actually costing me more, because those expense ratios can actually really harm you as well too. And we'll talk about that in a future video as well. So these are the funds that I'm currently and will probably be invested with for quite some time. As far as like rebalancing and looking at these portfolio items, I decide to look at them pretty much every single month just for myself because I do enjoy looking at this. But as far as rebalancing, I usually decide that about once a year if I want to keep these funds or change things around like I recently did as well. But for the foreseeable future, I can definitely see these in my Vanguard portfolio. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. As I mentioned earlier, I will have JJ Buckner's video on his Vanguard portfolio here at the top. And then this one down here is going to be the video I mentioned earlier as well, where I actually go a lot more in depth with mutual funds and ETFs for Vanguard. So make sure you definitely check that out and enjoy.